How we doing, everybody? It's FadeLess here. I'm gonna get right to the point. You guys are here because you guys were selected and lucky enough, like me myself, to get beta access to Moments. Now, those of you who do not know what Moments are, don't worry about it. I already tested it out. We figured it out, even though it took me a minute to figure it out. I got the chat moving, as you guys can see. My boy Rapid Fire Rogue. He doesn't like when I call him that name, but he has a new badge that you guys have never seen before, which I'm going to show you down below before we go right into all this information and what it means and how it works. He has this badge since we tested out the Moment, and I'm going to show you guys that and how it works and how you can incorporate it into your Twitch. All right, so first off, what you're going to want to do to put this into your Twitch is you're going to want to go back to your Twitch dashboard. You're going to want to click the plus sign and you're going to want to add this to it. It should be at the top if you got access. I'm an affiliate. I'm nowhere near partner, and I was given access to this. It seems that probably most of all the partners probably got it. And I'm sure a couple of the affiliates got it, like myself. I don't know how many, but if you were one of the lucky few, congratulations. If you're also one of the few who is very confused by this, I'm gonna help you out. So here's how it works. You actually make moments. It's something like clips, but it's a little bit different. You only get 5 of these a month, and you want to use them on very important things. I used it on something that wasn't very important, but let me show you what that moment was. And if you guys want to see something really cool, here's how this works. If you hit the person's moment badge after you make the moment, you hit that, you click see moment, you'll be able to see their moments that they have moments underneath, and over time your moments badge will actually level up from being in other moments within the stream and other things too. Quick one that I made real quick. It was just me, you know, seeing how everything worked, explaining everything. It's the same thing as a regular clip, very easy to do. And let me show you guys the Twitch video as well. And how the people in your chat get more or level up through these. You get 5 a month, so the people in your chat could get up to a tier 2 within a month because you get 5 moments, and they only get these if they are there when you do the clip. So this gives more of the people in your stream more of an effort to come to the stream, to be there for these moments when they are live. Hence, when I pulled my heirloom, that was a clip. Now, if we would have had moments back then, that would have been a moment instead, and they would have gotten this, which they can now use as a really cool badge. So you don't even have to be you don't have to be subbed, you don't have to have Amazon Prime, you don't have to have any of the other stuff, and you can still get a really cool looking badge, which I think this is a really cool incorporation that Twitch added. And we're going to take a quick look at their Twitch video for this, and that is right here. Make it a moment. That's what we did. So it like really it gives back to your community just for being there, for your community being like huge, helping out and supporting. So it's a really big thing for not only yourself as a content creator, but also for your community to give back to them. In which we had a lot of people got stuck on how to put the badge on, and if you're really confused on how that works, this is how it works. My boy Dr. Harma set up a quick tutorial right here on the page on how you do this. You just click chat, identity, and then you're able to, you know, click the badges you want to put on. You can change your name color and like other stuff that you guys have already seen, but you guys can actually equip that badge on, and then the people within your chat can then click on their moments, and you can then see their moments right here, and then you can click on that and then see like which moments they have. Like I stated before, you only get 5 of these per month, so don't waste them. I wasted one on a test to show you guys what it does, what it is. To do these, you can do them yourself by doing /moment and hitting enter, and that will do like the last 30 seconds or so and make that into a clip. Or your mods themselves, they can create these moments for you as well while you're in a match or doing something. So you don't have to worry about it. So you can rely heavily on your mods to be there for you. All right, once more, to reiterate, moments only appear for the stream that you're watching, as in moments are tied to the creator. If you have a level 3 moment with me, so you've been in the stream for 3 of the moments out of the 5 that I had that month, and they stay with you forever. So you can go from level 3 to level 50 to level 275, I think is one of them. They go up very high. If you're in Nick Merce's stream, you would still be like a level 1 or not even level there unless you were there for those moments. For that stream, they do not carry over from stream to stream, which I think is really cool, and it really shows the people in your community who has been there quite a bit, who's there a lot, who helps out a lot, who supports a lot. So I think this is awesome. I think it's going to be a great addition to Twitch. I'm very excited to see where it goes in the future and excited to see what we can do with it. Till then, guys, peace out.